Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, man. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean and maintain JIMMY BX7 Pro. This is to keep your vacuum running smoothly and more efficiently for longer. So step number one, make sure you empty your container, which is full of dirt. So 1, 2, 3, container is all empty. Step number 2, gather your tools. One brush with the blade, a softer brush if you need it, and a hard toothbrush that it's used. And then you also need a cloth. Step number 3 is to clean the inside of the canister and the filter. So just unscrew this and take the filter off. So you can see the filter is very dirty, filled with dust on that side. Put it there for a second. Then take a brush. You can take any brush, but I'll just take the toothbrush for this because it's a bit more harder, better to clean, I think. So just clean it inside properly and clean the edges with all the dust. Good damn, there's a lot of dust here. This is absolutely necessary to clean your vacuum once or maybe once a month. So if you use it like 4 or 5 times a month, clean it once a month. Okay, so that's all clean, and then you also want to clean the filter. So that's pretty clean. Then you make sure you just tap it in the bin. I don't want to tap it here because it's gonna fill the room up with dust. Also, you just want to rinse this quick. You can wash all of them, but I wouldn't advise washing this every single time because you have to wait until this completely dries up. So I would wash this maybe once every few months, but I wouldn't wash it every single time. Also, after 30 to 50 hours of use, you kind of need to replace the filter because this is not gonna have a long-lasting life, so you kind of need to replace it. That's why they give you an extra one in the box anyway. Okay, so I've just cleaned the dustbin with water and I've wiped it down properly as well. So it's all nice and clean inside. I didn't clean the filter, as I said. It's only advisable to clean every, once every few months, I would say. Make sure you wipe down this pretty well because this is some sort of metal and I'm not very sure if this is gonna go rusty if you're not gonna dry it out after you wash it, you hand wash it. So that's all done. Let's put it out of the way. So that is step number 3 done. Step number 4 would be to clean the brush roll from the vacuum. So for this, pretty easy to undo. You just pull these yellow bits and then you lift this up. And as you can see, you will get some dust in here. Look at that as well. And to remove the brush, you just have to lift it and you kind of fiddle with it until it comes out, and it's pretty easy. And you can see there's quite a lot of hairs that they got stuck in the brush and some dust here as well. So for this, to cut the hairs, you're gonna use the brush that comes with, and then you're just gonna use the blade from the brush to cut the hairs. Go all the way around, cut the hair nicely. So this is step number 4. Make sure that's cleaned properly. And then with this scraper, you just kind of just pull the hairs out, or you can just do it with your hand because it might be easier. So that's all clean. You also want to clean inside here and just wipe this down as well. So I'm just gonna use the softer brush to clean inside. If you have another vacuum, you can also use that vacuum to get all the dust out. Of course, we clean that, we assemble this back, and you just plug that back in there, nice and gently, because you don't want to break it. That's the last thing you want to do. Okay, so when putting the brush roll back, the easiest way is to put the brush roll back, and then so the easiest way to put the brush roll back in the hole, and then you plug this bit here, and the other bit is just gonna plug itself basically. Make sure the wheel spins as perfect. Put this back on. Lock it up. Make sure that's all online. Perfect. So that's all done. Step number 5 would be just to wipe it out basically. Wipe everything out, make sure everything is dust free. Wipe everything down. So once you've wiped everything down, you just put the dustbin back on until it clicks in, and that's all done for you guys. Remember to change the filter every few months. So if you successfully managed to complete the 5 steps, well done. Your vacuum is now in a better shape. So don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. Peace.